This guy won't wake up for nothing. Can't. Hey, Maximus. What? What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here. I'm dreaming about treats. About lots of treats. That's what I'm dreaming about. You hear me? What? What'd you say? I can hear you just fine. Hey, you. Excuse me. Excuse me, man. Hey, man. What? Can you wake up? I won't wake up. I'm lazy. I like to just sleep all day. Unless I'm getting treats. If I get treats, then I'll wake up. And go get me some treats. And I'll think about waking up. Let's see what kind of chompers this guy's got. Ooh, those are mean looking. Yeah, and you're the man if you keep messing with me, I'll bite you with these guys.